Apologies, Year 4, for the break in the video there. So we're still still doing the same maths lesson, and we are looking at the number line, and we're writing the sequence of fractions, simplifying where you can. 6/8, we noticed that we could probably simplify using these, but I wanted just to show you the numerical way of simplifying 6/8, which would be to use division. So if we have 6/8 and want to simplify it, we have to divide, not add, not times, not take away. It's always got to be division with fractions so that the number on the top is divided by the same thing as the number on the bottom. Now, I could divide the number on the top here, the numerator, by 3, but that's not going to work for the number underneath. I can't divide 8 by 3, so that's not going to be possible. Could divide the number on top by 2. That will work. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 8 divided by 2, remember it has to be the same digit on the top and the bottom. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So that is 3/4. So using maths rules, another way to do this would be to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So that would make our 6/8 3/4. Okay, so you're writing the number sequence out. I have written mine out up to 9/8. That's the size I've got. But when you do yours in your book, you've got to write the first 12 fractions. You've got to go up to 12/8 if you were doing eighths. Okay, so this is your work today. You've got question 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need to write out for each of those questions the next 12 fractions on along a number line. So it's going to go 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, all the way up to 12/4. Then underneath that, you're going to be writing them out again, simplifying the fractions where you can in the way that I have shown you. Just make that look like a quarter. There we go. Then you do question 2. Write out 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, all the way up to 12/6, and then you simplify them in the method that I've shown you. Do rewind the video and go back and look at the example. I'm afraid it's the second video, so you would have to go to the first one to see what's happening. And that's spicy and spicier. For the spiciest challenge, think of some examples of your own. So you've done quarters, sixths, tenths, and twelfths. Have a go with your own fraction. Start with 1 over what? Your choice. See what happens. 1 over, what are you going to start with? How is it going to work? What equivalent fractions will you discover today? Okay, well done, Year 4, and I will see you next time.